What does clear cache mean on TikTok? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll explain what clear cache means on TikTok. As you open the app and go to your settings, first tap on the profile and on the settings and privacy. If you scroll down below and go to free up space, you can find cache, clear your cache. So, what does it mean? Well, when you clear the cache on TikTok, you are essentially deleting temporary files that the app has stored on your device. These files include data such as images, videos, and other content that TikTok has downloaded for faster access to your device. Clearing the cache will free up some storage space and may help improve the app's performance. It's important to note that clearing the cache will not delete your TikTok account, your saved videos, or your account information at all. It will simply delete the temporary files that TikTok has stored on your device. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.